What is HelloBoard? It's a hybrid collaboration tool for your meeting rooms. For example, you need a whiteboard. CTOUCH has its own whiteboard, which you can share, and it is a local whiteboard, which is the most secure. If you want a cloud collaborative whiteboard, we have partnered up with Miro to give you this seamless whiteboard experience. Now I'm going to create a new board. Take the whiteboard pen that comes with it. If I start writing, it immediately starts writing on the screen. If I take my finger, I can move the screen about, pinch and zoom, and then start writing over here. And then if I use my palm and I hold it against the screen, I can start removing this text that I've written. Press save, and then type in my email address or scan the QR code and have it sent to my own account. Now, everything that we've made is always removed and cleared. If I press create board again, you'll see that it's completely empty. In that way, we never forget to leave any of our whiteboard notes on the whiteboard. The other hybrid collaboration tool that you need is screen sharing. We have built-in screen sharing, which uses native screen sharing. But because it's hybrid, the most important element is the meeting room. If we press this big meeting button in the middle, it starts an impromptu Teams call. An impromptu Teams call ensures that this room now is blocked, so other people can't book into it. I can join and then request people to join my call. Why is it familiar? Well, because it uses the very same Teams interface that you use on your laptop. If you press people up here, I can then invite someone like Marco, see his name, and press request to join, and he gets called into the call. The most recent upcoming meeting is shown below. Now, if we wanted to join a call, we can just press join here. And then it starts the call with all the attendees that you saved into that meeting. Last of all, the most used app would be the web browser, which allows people to search up information needed for a meeting. When we leave the browser, it actually removes the cache and closes everything off. So the next time you open it, it is completely empty. Nothing is saved. Now that might not be enough. You might have a planner app or a to-do app. For that reason, IT professionals can choose a select amount of apps that can run on HelloBoard. And because it runs on Windows 11, it uses any Windows app you would like to have, but blocks users from using apps you don't want them to use, like the Settings app. The last element worth considering is that this entire interface is personalizable to your business. You can change the logo, background, you can change the colors, and you can even choose which apps are shown. And that way you personalize it to your brand. And that's HelloBoard for you, the hybrid collaboration solution you are looking for in your next meeting room.